those busy yummies.
Nemo! Baba!
Hello, yummies. Look at this jumpy planet.
Ooh, jumpy planet.
Watch this. Jump.
Ooh.
Come join us. Flitterbugs. Look at them twinkle and shine.
Yes, beautiful flitterbugs lighting up the sky. There you go.
Look, Grandma Liba, we're both yummy-sized. Yummy-sized.
And so you are.
These raspberries are too high.
Look at yummy dogs. They're Jumpy Planet. Help me, Baba.
Huh?
Climb on, yummies. Get ready to jump high. Thanks, sweeties.
Whee!
A hatberry. Or a berry hat.
Thank you for helping us.
Helping is fun. The best fun.
Raspberry and yogurt bowls.
Like Jumpy Planet. But so delicious.
There's nothing like a good old stretch after all that jumping. Reaching high, up to the sky.
Thanks for the yummy food. And thank you for helping too. A huggy for you. Whoa! Bye, Jumpy Planet. Bye.
The sun is low. It's time to head to the Lullaby Lake.
Brushy time. Show them your teeth, Baba. Tickle, tickle. It tickles.
The Lullaby Lake. Oh, look. It's Fungi and Pungi.
They're jumping. Jump, jump.
Jumping gently, hardly a splash, as you sail on the Lullaby Lake, breathing gently, barely awake. The sun dips slowly in the sky. It shines on the Lullaby Lake.
Green. Blue.
Yellow. Red. Hello, yummies. Have you seen the Tweeties? Get them away like this. Oops, I can't find the Tweeties to say sorry.
Aww. Come join us.
Flitterbugs. Look at them twinkle and shine.
Yes, beautiful flitterbugs lighting up the sky.
Look, Grandma Liba, we're just like the yummies.
Yummy sized.
We need to talk. Yummy huddle. Yummy Dog can help.
Look, up there.
Clever Yummy Dog.
Are you okay, Tweeties? Gently, gently.
Quiet, Drum. Not stompy at all. Well done, Mimo and Baba.
Sorry, I scared you. The Tweeties! Not so loud, Baba. Tweeties! Well done, Baba. Happy Tweeties! Here we go.
Reaching high up to the sky, all that drumming can be tiring.
Thank you, Yummies. Thanks for finding the Tweeties, Yummy Dog.
The sun is low. It's time to head to Lullaby Lake.
Brushy time. Show them your teeth, Baba. It tickles.
The Lullaby Lake.
Gently, Fungi and Pungy. Not so loud.
The Tweeties happy in the sky as you sail on the Lullaby Lake. Breathing gently, barely awake, the sun dips slowly in the sky. It shines on the Lullaby Lake. Mimo, Baba, breathing deep. You're both on your way to me. Mimo, Baba, where are you?
Here, Grandma Liba.
Hello, you two.
We're spinning in circles. Spinny circles.
Oh, your spinny circles look like great fun. It looks like you're both dizzy. Spinning in circles can do that. All that round and round and...
Round and round and round. And look, the tick-tock clock. Come on, Baba, it's playtime. Playtime. The go-go plane is ready to go-go. Whee! Hello, Tweeties.
It looks like you've made the Tweeties dizzy too.
Circles! Spinny circles!
You really do love spinny circles.
things to choose from. A ball, a skipping rope, spinny circles. Which one shall we pick, Baba? The spinny circle, the spinny circle.
Of course. Something to spin round and round.
Oh, I know. Uh-oh. Why won't it spin? Whee! Well done, Baba. Oh, can you show me? Wiggle slowly. Then faster and faster. Whee! Wiggle slowly and faster and faster and whee! Oh no. Try again, Mimo. Uh-huh. Whoa! It's spinning! Look, Baba! Yay! Thank you, Baba. Round and round and round. Hello, yummies.
Green. Blue.
Red. Yellow.
We're making pancakes. Come join us.
Flitterbugs. Look at them twirl around.
Yes, beautiful flitterbugs lighting up the sky.
Baba Liba, we're yummy-sized. Yummy-sized.
So you are.
Pancake.
Would you like a go?
Is it hot? Hot, Grandma Liba?
No, it's okay, Mimo and Baba. The pans are cold and safe to use.
Uh-huh.
Yay!
Well done, Mimo.
Baba's go. Oops.
I don't think we'll see that pancake again.
Let me show you how to flip the pancake, Baba. Steady. Now you flip it, nice and slowly.
You can do it, Baba! Yay!
I did it! You flipped a pancake round and round.
Well done, Baba. And how kind of you, Mimo.